Hi, Harish. I'm Sanita's father. Sanita joined Chakravyuh during his 10th academic year, somewhere in the mid part of it, just before her terminal exams. Definitely, I confidently say that Chakravyuh have helped us, light in the thick dark clouds, where everything was online during the COVID times, where she was losing her confidence, being a 10th class student. So during the interactions with Mr. Rajiv and Mr. Vikram have really helped us to regain our confidence back from the subjects, as well as our motivation levels have started improving and confidence level is gaining it. And moreover that, she also getting interest on the subjects where she started getting the more self-learning as well. So she's still continuing with Mr. Chakravyuh Academy with grade 12 as well. And I really want to thank Mr. Rajiv and Mr. Vikram for their constant support and motivation. And I look forward more a successful and bright future ahead for the Chakravyuh.
My name is Sushil. I am Sana's father, and I am really thankful for Rajiv sir and Vikram sir for helping clearing all the doubts of 11th and 12th. And we just really repent that we did not met them earlier. We would understand after that done better.
Hi, I'm Tanvi Marathe. I'm doing my MBBS in IIT Medical College, Bangalore. So I'm a proud alumni of Chakravyuh Academy. I've been studying here from 11th to 12th, and I particularly happen to be a slightly weak student in maths and physics. So what the academy did for me is mainly strengthen that part of my syllabus where I had to give my entrance exams for medical, that is NEET. A special mention to Rajiv sir and Vikram sir, who have really put in efforts, who have done everything which makes us prepared to see that day of NEET. I also gave some engineering exams, and it really proved to be useful, because we had a lot of practice given from previous year question papers. Also, the best part about this academy is that they make you think. So wherein we have this thing, they give us questions, we learn standard questions, and we muck them up and go. But what this institute did for me is they made me think. They made me learn the process of how to analyze the question and how to gather inputs and how to formulate your answer. Well, that helped me in my boards also and my MCQ pattern in the competitive exams also. So this was a great experience for me. It helped me build my confidence, and I'm sure it will do me great favors in the future also. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm Sana's father. My name is Sushil, and initially I just want to give you a brief glimpse of what Sana is going through. And in the first year, Sana's journey was not very good. She was admitted in LN, and then we had a lot of the concepts were not clear. The coaching institute was not clearing the concepts. So we decided we let Vikram sir and Rajiv sir that they really helped her in clearing all the concepts of 11th and 12th. And on top of that, they guided her for the exams, various exams, right? So we are really thankful to them.
Vikram sir and Rajiv sir are one of the really good teachers that I've met, and they helped me clear my concepts and doubts in 11th and 12th. So I'm very thankful for their guidance and support, through which I got admission into Best University.